Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Enoki Tsukune. Tsukune is small meatloaf or meatballs. Today I'm making it a little healthy by adding a lot of enoki mushrooms. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Enoki Tsukune, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of ground pork, 2 packs of enoki mushroom, which is about 400 grams, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, sake, mirin, and potato starch or cornstarch, some ginger, and 1 egg. As always, all the cutting first. So ginger, I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's mince it, so into slices first. Into strips. And mince. Let's put it in a large bowl. Enoki mushroom, cut the bottom off and just cut into thin slices. All into the same bowl. Same for the other one. Cut the bottom off and cut. Into the bowl of enoki and ginger, add ground pork, 1 egg, potato starch or cornstarch, some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon, and knead this well until everything is well combined. Like this. So the pork is like a glue to stick the enoki together. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's make this into oval disc shape and then into the frying pan. I'm making 8 tsukune, so I'm roughly separating this into 8. Like this. Then into oval disc shape. Put the lid on and just cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side of a medium heat. The bottom side is looking good, so let's cook the other side. The other side is looking good too, so let's add the seasonings. 2 tablespoons of sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. And keep cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes to cook down the sauce. The sauce is cooked down and the tsukune is nice and glossy. Turn the heat off. Serve in the plate. Don't forget to put some sauce. These are optional, but let's put some sesame seeds and shichimi Japanese chili mix. And Enoki Tsukune is ready to go. Time for the tasting. I can tell it's nice and fluffy even before tasting. Itadakimasu. Mushrooms have kind of meaty flavor and it's hard to believe more than half of this tsukune is enoki mushroom. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Enoki Tsukune is the main, so it goes here, and let's have something refreshing for the side dishes. So how about tsunomono for one of them, and some sort of pickles for the other one. Plain rice here, and sweet potato miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.